Hello dear students, unit tests are approaching, so we will be starting with the revision of the chapters which we have studied for this first unit test. Now the chapter 2 big states, we have already done the explanation of the chapter, the exercises have also been explained. So what new will be there in revision? Well, in revision you will be having the extra exercises. Now these exercises are from the workbook, but we are not using that, but we can take the questions from that. So hence here I have solved the questions from that workbook. So let's have a look at the questions and their correct answer. You can use this to refer because I'll be asking questions. Some of them will be like this and others I'll take from the textbook. The first exercise is choose the correct option or multiple choice questions, as you say. Who had imprisoned Rajyashree? A. Chandragupta, B. Samudragupta, C. Vishnugupt, D. Devgupt. Students, don't get confused with the Guptas which are added at the end. The correct answer is Devgupt, the king of Malwa. With the help of which Buddhist monk did Harshvardhan get his sister liberated? Hermit, the Buddhist hermit. Who was he? A. Nagarjun, B. Divakar Mitra, C. Prabhakar, D. Gnaneshwar. The correct answer is Divakar Mitra. He helped Harshvardhan in finding her and rescuing her from the Vindhyachal forests. Where did Harshvardhan hold religious conference every year? A. Prayag, B. Banaras, C. Kanauj, D. Mathura. The correct answer is Prayag. Which great poet of Sanskrit adorned the court of Harshvardhan? Kalidas, Bhavbhuti, Bhairavi, Banbhat. The correct answer is Banbhat. Which university was famous worldwide during the period of Harshvardhan? Nalanda, Takshashila, Vikramshila, Vallabhi. We have studied this and you know the correct answer is Nalanda. From which town did gold find its way to India because of trade in the period of Harshvardhan? Paris, Geneva, Rome, Istanbul. It was Rome. Which Chinese traveller attended the 6th religious council held by Harshvardhan in Prayag? Etzing, Lao Tse, Fahian, Huansang. It is Huansang. Which king of Chalukya dynasty performed Ashwamedh Yagna? Kirtivarma, Pulkeshi II, Pulkeshi I, Manglesh. You will have to remember this as well. The Ashwamedh Yagna was performed by Pulkeshi I. Which king of Chalukya dynasty had a splendid Vishnu temple constructed in Vatapi? Pulkeshi I, Manglesh, Kirtivarma, Yashovarma. The correct answer is Manglesh. Where did the empire of Harshvardhan cease after being defeated by Pulkeshi II in the battle? Till Ujjain, till Saputara, till Tapi, till Narmada. The correct answer is till Narmada. That was the border for Harshvardhan's empire. He cannot go beyond it. Now the next exercise is fill in the blanks. Harshvardhan took charge of blank throne after getting his sister liberated. It is after getting his sister liberated. If it was before, by right, he got the throne of Thaneshwar. But after getting his sister liberated, he got the throne of Kanauj. Harshvardhan raised a wide empire in North India after carrying on his victorious journey for blank years. He had victorious journey for 7 years. And after that he was defeated in the battle with Pulkeshi II. Harshvardhan forgot even his meals in administrative responsibilities or in his good deeds. He even forgot to take his meal. We can know many important things of Harshvardhan's period from blank even today. Harshcharit, the book written by Banbhat. From that we can know which important things were done in that time. Blank was the principal of Nalanda University in the period of Harshvardhan. It is Acharya Shailbhadra. Under his governance, under the revenue of 100 villages was given to them to the Nalanda University. The name of grand and prosperous library of Nalanda University was Dharmaganj. This thing has been mentioned in Things to Know, but even that we have studied. So, the name of the library was Dharmaganj. Blank yield of land revenue was recovered from people in the state of Harshvardhan. 1/6 part of their income or their harvest was given as land revenue. Blank coins were used as currency for trade and exchange in the period of Harshvardhan, gold and silver coins. Yuan Sang has noted that there were blank Buddhist monasteries in the states of Harshvardhan. Even this thing has been mentioned in Things to Know. He has noted that there were 100 Buddhist monasteries. The capital of Chalukya dynasty in South India was Vatapi, or we can say Badami in current day Karnataka. But let's stick to the name Vatapi. The flag of Pulkeshi I bore the sign of blank. Varaha Avatar. It is a reincarnation of Lord Vishnu, and as he was a follower of Hindu religion, they have also created Vishnu temple. So the flag had the sign of Varaha Avatar. Pulkeshi II ruled over for about blank years, 30 years. The kings of Chalukya dynasty were devotees of blank religion, Hindu religion. During that time, Buddhism came to a decline, and the Digambar Jain religion, it was rising, but the kings were actually follower of the Hindu religion. State whether the following statements are true or false. Devgupta was the king of Malwa. True. Harshvardhan was the elder brother of Prabhakarvardhan. False. The correct sentence will be Harshvardhan was the son of Prabhakarvardhan. Now students, I may ask it changing the sentence like Harshvardhan was the younger brother of Rajyavardhan. So even that is the correct sentence. Harshvardhan had divided his daily routine into 5 parts. False. He had divided his daily routine into 3 parts. The great poet Ban Bhatt had composed Kadambari. True. Instead of Kadambari, if I ask he had composed Harshcharit, then we can say even that is true. Harshvardhan had composed the play Harshcharit. False. Harshcharit was composed by Ban Bhatt. And Harshvardhan, if I ask Harshvardhan had composed the plays Naganand, Ratnavali or Priyadarshika, then the sentence would have been true. Acharya Nagarjun was a famous chemist of Nalanda University. True. If the sentence was Acharya Nagarjun was the principal of Nalanda University, then it would have been false. Or if it was like Acharya Shailbhadra was famous chemist of Nalanda University, even that would have been false. There was religious equality among the people of Harshvardhan. True. We have studied this in the life of the people. The Chinese traveler Yuan Sang had stayed in Nalanda University for 15 years and studied Buddhism. False. He had stayed in Nalanda University for 5 years and studied Buddhism. His overall stay in India was of 15 years. The Chinese traveler Yuan Sang had returned to his country in 625 CE. False. He returned in 645 CE. Ashwamedh Yagna was performed by Pulkeshi II. False. In the blanks only we saw just now that Ashwamedh Yagna was performed by Pulkeshi I. In the period of Pulkeshi II, the influence of Digambar sect of Jain religion had increased. True. And Buddhism saw a decline. The last type of question is match the following for objective. Writing short note and answer the following questions is always there, but we are just revising objectives. Section A, Section B, and you have to match it. The valiant king of Kannauj, the valiant king of Vatapi. Valiant means brave. Acharya Shilbhadra, the composer of Harshcharit. Students, here the questions can be different, the options can be different, but this is just a sample. A. Nalanda University. B. The great poet Banbhat. C. Pulkeshi II. D. Harshvardhan. So the correct answers are the valiant king of Kannauj, Harshvardhan; the valiant king of Vatapi, Pulkeshi II; Acharya Shilbhadra. He is the principal of Nalanda University, and the composer of Harshcharit, the great poet Banbhat. So that's it with the revision for the chapter 2 big states. Again, I know you guys do not have your textbooks with you, so go through the video, and I have shared the PDF. If you want, you can read from that as well. All the questions will be from your textbook only, but they will be concept based, not ditto question answers. So all the best guys, keep reading and be safe. Bye.